To reset your Anker power bank, you need to follow a series of steps that will help you restore the device to its original settings. Start by checking if your power bank is fully charged, as this will ensure that the reset process is successful. Next, locate the reset button on your Anker power bank, which is usually found on the bottom or side of the device. The reset button is a small pinhole that requires a paper clip or a similar object to press. Insert the paper clip into the reset button and press it for about 10 seconds until the lights on. The power bank start flashing. This indicates that the reset process has started. Release the reset button and wait for the power bank to complete the reset process. This may take a few seconds. And once it is done, the lights on the power bank will stop flashing. Your Anker power bank is now reset to its original settings, and any issues you were experiencing should be resolved. If the problem persists, you may need to contact the manufacturer or a professional for further assistance. It is essential to note that resetting your Anker power bank will not affect the battery's capacity or overall performance. However, it will restore the device to its default settings, which may include resetting any customized settings or configurations. To maintain your Anker power bank and prevent any issues, make sure to charge it regularly. Avoid overcharging, and store it in a cool, dry place. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your Anker power bank continues to function optimally and provides reliable power when you need it. In summary, resetting your Anker power bank is a simple process that involves locating the reset button, pressing it with a paper clip, and waiting for the device to complete the reset process. By following these steps and maintaining your power bank properly, you can enjoy reliable and efficient performance from your device.